What's going on, guys?
Hey.
So we're at Palm Cove. We had a few days off the cameras. We've been here for 3 nights now and we're off this morning. But it was my birthday. Young 21.
He wishes.
About 32 now. So we had a few days off filming, just enjoying it, going out for lunches and that, which was good. But yeah, really good spot. We love it here.
Yeah, we got the drone up this morning. But we also started this week off at 3 nights at Cairns, and we were going to film there as well, but it's just a city. I feel we prefer showcasing places that people wouldn't usually go. So yeah, we didn't film too much there either, guys, but we were at Cairns. It is nice. Again, it's just a big city.
Yeah, it's not pretty to look at. There's a few nice things there, but it's not holiday. Like, it's a holiday kind of place, not nice beaches. You can go up into the waterfalls and that's about it, really, and the rest of it's just like a big city with a casino and nice markets, eh?
Cool markets, but there is some good waterfalls, so we'll get some footage of the waterfalls and share that with you guys. But so that's where our week started, Cairns, Palm Cove, and now we're going up to Mossman to spend a few nights there with our friends at our travel days. And we'll make sure that we get lots of footage there because it is beautiful up in the Daintree.
Oh, we've got Ellis Beach coming up too.
Oh yeah.
So Ellis Beach looks like a hot spot, so we'll be glad to get there today. It's a massive drive, 6 minutes.
Biggest drive we've ever done.
So, don't know what we're going to do.
But we'll share it all with you guys.
See ya. We are here at the NRMA Caravan Park Cairns. Lady's really nice in there actually, because she's seen our car and she goes, oh, we'll get you on 27, but go have a look at 55, 70 or 71 and see which one's easy to get into. So we've got a pick of 4 sites. So let's go.
And they gave us 2 doggy packs.
Don't know what's in them yet.
For the pups. Trying to pop you up there so I can speak. So at the NRMA Caravan Park, it's a bit tight here, guys, but we got in. Rick's epic driving skills always get us into all the tight places. We've not been in a caravan park for over a month, like since WA, so it's kind of weird being crammed in with people, but anyway, the NRMA gave our puppies some little doggy treats, so we're going to see what's in here. Ooh. We've got 2 doggy treats each. Poo bags. Our dogs do a lot more poos than that. Emergency vet contacts. And a pet waiver for your dogs in the caravan park. Not bad. The dogs will be very happy with that. They're very interested in what I'm doing up here, so they've just had breakfast, but we'll give them a little treat. Gentle. Bluey, sit. Gentle. Good puppies.
Morning guys, we are at Palm Cove, the caravan park here, the NRMA Caravan Park. We've been here for 3 nights now, but this is our first kind of decent morning. We've woken up the last 2 mornings with drizzly, windy weather, so we haven't been doing much. We've been bunkering down Netflix and YouTube and stuff, so it's good. So that's our site. Here's a little tight. The last 2 NRMA caravan parks we've been to are very tight, so just be prepared. They're in the good locations, but when they're in a good location they seem to make everything a little bit tighter. So just going down to the beach this morning, going to take the drone out and get some good footage, so you lovely people can watch, I guess. We found some people that we recognise. Someone's happy to be back at the beach. Oh, both of them. What a spot, hey? We absolutely hit the jackpot here, guys.
We've just rolled in here at Ellis Beach and I'm just doing some work with the world's nicest view. I've just realised Ricky's put the chairs out and I could be sitting there rather than on the doorstep. Bye, beautiful beach. We're heading off from Ellis Beach. We only had the one night there. because we booked last minute, only booked last week, and it was school holiday, so it was pretty much fully booked. We were lucky to just get the one night, and I don't think we would have stayed for too much longer anyway because it was expensive. So for the 2 of us and 2 dogs for one night was $85.
They charge, I think it's $5 a night per dog.
Yeah, and then like it's got the peak and off peak, so you can get it cheaper. Just try and get there not in the school holidays or long weekends.
Well worth it if you go for you would be happy 2 nights there. And across the road they got the Ellis Beach Bar and Grill, which is really nice. We went there for brekkie this morning and the smoothies, and we had, what else did we have? I had like a Reuben toasty, it was delicious. Water's looking specky out there today though.
Yeah, so we're shouted to be leaving. Highly recommend getting there if you're heading up this way for your travels. Try and get to Ellis Beach. That's probably one of the, and the beachfront campsite. So yeah, that's why it's a little bit more expensive as well. I think it's cheaper to get off the beach, but it's magnificent. You just sit there, you enjoy the beach all day. We woke up early this morning and watched the sunrise, and it was just
they've got unpowered sites too, which weren't available to us, and we don't even know how much they are because when we did it online it was only just that one spot for one night, so we just jumped on it. We ummed and ahed for a bit because of the price, but we thought we're not going to get back anytime soon, so do it.
The other thing is, Rick mentioned the bar and grill opposite the road. Rick and I come up here every year to Port Douglas. We drive on this road past that same place, and that bar and grill was never that nice, so it's just been done up and it is really nice. The food there was so good, so that is another bonus for camping there, is the bar opposite the road is really good. They've got live music every weekend. They've spent a lot of money there, so that's good. And
the original owners last year or the year before, there was a no dog caravan park, and the new owners allow dogs now, so it's even better for us.
We really liked it. Would you go back?
100%.
10 out of 10 from me.
Gonna have to save my pennies though to go back.
But if you've never done the road up to Port Douglas,
Captain Cook Highway it is.
Captain Cook Highway, we'll film some of it for you because it's one of the most beautiful beach roads in the area.
Not this bit though.
Yeah, this fits. We are here at the free camp just outside of Mossman in a town called Mialio. $30 a night, and it is absolutely pristine, like this beautiful farmland. We've got the drone up. We'll show you what it looks like from above. Staying here with our travel days, and we have this really cool river just behind us here, and the trees there. We'll show you as well. I tell you what, it is so nice getting away from the caravan parks and having some space to ourselves.
We love it here, it's pretty good. So,
out of 10?
Oh, I'd go 10 out of 10.
I think it's
really good.
Puppies are liking it.
Nice green grass.
And we got a view of, I mean, it's a bit cloudy over there at the moment, but the Mossman Gorge is just there and you can actually see the waterfalls.
Cool.
Pretty specky.
Today guys, we are off to Cape Tribulation, so it's only about an hour and 20 minutes from where we're staying at near Mossman there at the hip camp. We're actually going to take the caravan up there, and we thought, nah, the weather's not looking great up there when we were going to go up there, so we thought we'd just do a day trip and let's see how we go. Good.
So the Daintree is the world's oldest rainforest, if you didn't already know. So we'll film some of the areas in there. I think we're going to go up to the beach, Cape Tribulation. There's a swimming hole.
Yeah, Mason's swimming hole, but we forgot to bring our bathers, so we'll just go have a look at it. The other thing, guys, up there the beaches are not dog friendly due to some of it's national park around on the beaches, and then just because of the crocodiles, which I don't think is an issue with the big sandy beaches, but smaller national parks, there is a spot there behind Pico's Jungle Resort or something. You can take your dog there, so we're going to do that. Take our dog there. We'll go check out Cape Tribulation, and yeah, that's about it.
Let's go.
Love ice cream.
How is it?
Really, really good. Mango is good.
Mango, wattle seed, black sofa or something, and coconut. Unusual flavours, but it came in a 4-in-1. So we thought we'd try.
It's bright out here today.
Try it out. Time to head home and go for a swim in the river, I reckon.
Yep. Cape Trib was nice, but I don't know. Glad we didn't stay here. Good for a day trip.
Yeah. It's just like, it's such a nice day. It's 30 degrees and you can't swim in the ocean. Like, it's beautiful beaches, worth seeing. But I think if we were contemplating coming up here and spending some time here, and it just would be too much of a tease to not be able to swim in that beautiful water.
The road in is just very windy and tight as to the point, like, you got tourist buses coming one way, and like we had to tuck our mirrors in on our car on like the main road. So to drag the caravan up here for, it's only like an hour and a half away from Port Douglas, but would be pretty stressful just to be tempted to not even, you can't even swim or anything. So
but worth it for the day trip. We've had an awesome day, perfect weather, it's been really good.
The other thing is the ferry is pretty costly too. It's $47 return, so and it's not even that far. It crosses like 30 metres, but anyway, if you want to get here, you got to pay the price. Got him.
Nice.
Alright, so we're changing camps once again today, guys. We are heading just a little bit south of Cairns, so we're leaving, what's the place called, Nick?
Mialio Creek Stay.
Mialio Creek Stay.
And we're heading to Paradise Camps, which is south of Cairns, so you'll find that one on Hippie Camps.
Hippie Camps?
Oh, I did that. I said that earlier too. Wiki Camps.
Wiki Camps. So
you'll find Paradise Camps on Wiki Camps.
One thing we love about the East Coast so far is just the distances between things. Like, we're driving literally like an hour today.
Yeah, not too far.
Like, I filled up my car over a week ago and I've still got just under half a tank to go, and we've done a fair bit of exploring. Just so nice to travel.
There's also heaps of like hip camps, farm stays. You're not stuck in caravan parks to like see the main areas. So yeah, we're just absolutely loving the greenery. It's good.
So we're off to another hip camp now, but there's a few, like the main beaches and stuff we want to see, like Mission Beach and Ellis Beach and etc. You got no choice but to do a caravan park if you want to camp on the beach. But yeah, like in Cairns and stuff, if you want to go see the waterfalls, there's plenty of like farm stays around. So look on hippie camps. Look on hip camps and wiki camps, and just go from there. Like the one we just stayed at was really good. Not far from Port Douglas, just about 20 minutes, but really nice drive.
Also, I'm obsessed with Rusty's market at Cairns. They've got the best fruit, best fresh produce. So we're just going to do a quick little stop in at Cairns. Rick will just probably do a lap with the caravan. I'm going to run in, grab some fresh produce, and I'm going to actually show you what we buy and how cheap it is, because it is just so good getting fresh produce and not having to pay those ridiculous prices that you pay at the supermarket. Hey guys, one happy girl here. I've just been to the market and look at my goodies. So I wanted to share with you, I spent $45. I've got about like 12 passion fruit in there, 6 bananas, 3 lemons. I actually just bought 2 and the guy's like, get another one, you can have one for free. I love freebies at markets. Massive punnet of blueberries. They were $15 marked down to 10. Hello, Kobe. Juicy watermelon. Rick asked me to buy watermelon and lemons. He said he saw something on the internet that it's really yum to eat together, so that'll be fun. More passion fruit because I got excited. Massive thing of cherry tomatoes. Massive thing of baby cucumbers. An avocado, passion fruit, oh, that's not passion fruit, pineapple, and that smells so good. How good does that smell? Kobe doesn't like it. That's making the car smell so fruity right now. I love it. And a little half rock melon. So all that produce, hi Rick, I'm just filming, for $45. So good. I'm so excited to eat some fresh food. Fresh produce. Tell me if anything beats it, because like that's my happiness. Like, take me to a market any day. Date day, take me to a market. Just the best. So if you're in the Cairns area, go to Rusty's market Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Rick's now gone into Bunnings. I'm going to take these 2 guys for a quick walk. They've only been in the car for an hour and like 10 minutes. And we've only got about a half an hour drive ahead of us to get to the next campsite. So we'll take them for a walk, get back in the car and get up to our next campsite. Alright, we've just pulled up here at Paradise Camps. It's about 50 minutes south of Cairns. Staying in this 10-acre property here with the orchards and the beautiful trees surrounding us. There's also a creek just down there with a swimming hole, so that's cool. We're staying here for 2 nights, $30 a night. She also has powered sites which are closer to the home, and there's an open paddock over there where the powered sites are. There's then a paddock that's smaller and sort of within the trees in that section just there, and then this 10-acre paddock which we chose for the sunshine to power up those solars. So this is us for the next 2 nights. rainy day, but we're doing the waterfall circuit out in the Tablelands. No, what's it called? The Atherton Tablelands. So it's cold and rainy, but that's what you get when you're in the rainforest. And we're here doing the waterfall circuit. This is the first one that we're at. I'm not sure how far the walk is. So we're gonna go look now. And then the whole circuit itself from the turn off through to the last falls is about 13-kilometre drive.
What is this bloody rain? I can hear the waterfall though.
It's like 17 degrees. We just jumped out of the car and I was wearing like a singlet under here. I'm like, what the hell? It's freezing. We haven't been cold. I don't reckon we've been in less than 20-degree heat since like Perth, which was probably 4 months ago. So we're not used to the cold.
Freezing. Bit like being home again in Melbourne.
But it might be worth it for the waterfalls. Obviously the best waterfalls happen with rainfall, and we've just been in Darwin where there just was no rain, so the waterfalls were minimal. So pros and cons to all of them. Waterfall number 2, Zilly Falls. How are you enjoying the weather?
Good. But we got some hard-boiled lollies from Barclay Homestead.
Oh, are you eating?
Really, really good. I love them. I'm a bit of a sweet tooth.
Screen's very wet. Zilly Falls is not that much. You like can go to a viewing platform.
Overgrown, and
it's really overgrown, so you can't really see much. But you can do a big walk to go to the bottom of the waterfall, and obviously you'd have a better view there. But if you're gonna do it, don't do it on a rainy day because it was so muddy, and we're wearing thongs, so.
Oh, haven't got the thing. Don't know where the logo is. There's 2 of them. They're the lollies, guys. Lemon lime margarita. Actually, we got them in Northern Territory, and they're from Victoria. So, see, all good things come out of Victoria, including us.
We've just rocked up at Mialio Falls, and we don't even have to get out of the car.
Cheeky tip though, guys. Go to the RV coach parking, because you come right down to this bit, which is 100% better. That's what we call a whoopsie.
They are really rare birds. I forget what they're called. But Rick was telling me they attack people, so I'm too scared to go near it. What a naughty boy.
That's a nice boulder. I've been to Boulders, guys. It is pretty awesome. The swimming hole up the top, right next to the car park, looks so nice, but we're leaving today, so we just stopped in quickly. Can't be bothered having a swim, can we? So, a little bit cold, but on a nice sunny 30-degree day up here, it would be absolutely perfect.
It's a really good swimming hole if it is a sunny day, like.
Yeah.
Oh, definitely would go there. So nice.
It's not too covered either from like the trees and stuff above in the rainforest. But
and some boulders you can like jump off, so
yeah.
Good fun.
Good fun, but if we come a couple of days earlier we probably would have went for a swim, but unfortunately we miss out, but can't do everything, at least we got to see it. That's the main thing. Alright. See you at Mission Beach.